So I bought a wig from Shein. Yes, yes, yes. With this and a business card. Do not exceed $350. We're gonna make this pretty quick. She's synthetic. Okay. The band is a little thick. It's a T-part. So I put some foundation on, and then when I put it on my hand, I'm gonna like pluck it. So she a little big though. She a little big. Ooh. Ooh. I have this, but it barely has anything in here. I don't know if I should use it. I feel I look like an old lady. The hair is 30 inches. Okay. Okay, this might take a while. So I am going to use this. But I heard the Kiss one was better. So I sprayed the even 3 times, let it get tacky, laid the lace down. Eyebrows are high as hell. I'll leave this band on for as long as possible. So let's fix the hair itself, I guess. I need my brush. Brush this out. Whew. What was I thinking? It's too hot for wigs. Too hot for any. Let's see. It said don't go above 350. I'm at 320 because the next one is 360. Weird. That's the downfall of having synthetic wig. You cannot curl anything on high. So I'm just gonna brush it out. This side looks good. Let's do this side. Look, this side is, and then this side is like that. I'm gonna try to wear this as long as possible. Ugh. I need a new scissors because okay. Dolly. Ooh. I should have used a Q-tip. I cannot draw a straight line. It's crazy. Cannot draw a straight line. Look at that. Ooh. Should I make baby hairs now, or should I just color it and then melt it? Because right now it's looking like straight Dolly. Like, y'all, I tried to pluck. I don't know. Right here. So I'm gonna put this Ebin Lace Melting Spray. So this is what we're gonna do. I just knew that was going to happen. Like, it looks bright as hell. I'm real tired, bruh. I need a darker color. That's what I need. Ugh. Okay, darker. This side might not do it though, but whatever. Okay. I look like something off a Tyler Perry movie. I rushed Tyler Perry movie. Still looks thick as hell. Should I do one in the middle? Okay, so this is how it came out. I did a little burn. I put some makeup here to make it look a little realistic or whatever. On this side too. Have a look. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.